In the previous video, we have seen the introduction of Boolean algebra and what was logic gates, and we have also seen little bit about AND gate. So in today's video, we are going to learn more about AND gate. So you can see for better understanding of AND gate, I have used here some uh, digital circuit. I have shown here some digital circuit. So understanding that circuit, by understanding that circuit we will be able to understand more about AND gate. So this is the circuit. In this circuit we have used two switches A and B, and the output is working just like the operation of AND gate. So you can see we have used two diodes D1 and D2 in the first diagram for A and B switch. So if we focus on the conclusion here, number one, A part is if both switches A and B are open, means if value of A and value of B both are 0, then the lamp or the bulb will not glow. Means if the input of A and B is 0 both at the same time, having value 0, then the output will be 0 only. 0 refer here false and 1 will refer here true. So the second conclusion says B part, if switch A closed and B open, means you have closed the switch A, it means A is having value 1 and input of B is having 0, value 0, then lamp will not glow, hence Y equal to 0. Because this circuit is working in such a manner that if A and either A or B, any of them is not closed, then the final output will be 0, means your bulb will not glow. So in the same way, the next conclusion says, what the next conclusion says, C part, is if switch A open and B closed, if your input A is 0 and input of B is 1, means C part says if your value of A is 0, B is 1, then lamp will not glow, hence your output will become Y equal to 0. And in the same way, fourth D part says if switch A and B both closed, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, then lamp will glow, hence Y equal to 1. Means if value of A and B, both the value of A and B having value 1 at the same time, only then your bulb will glow, otherwise the bulb will not glow. In the case where either of A or B is having value 0 or both the values are having 0, then in that case your bulb will not glow. So in the same way your AND gate works. So that's why we have seen the truth table of AND gate as given here, just like here. So input A, input B, if the value of A and B is 0 0, then the final output of Y is coming as 0. If any one of the value of A and B is 1 with 0, if you are having value A as 0, then also the output will 0. If you are having the value of B as 0, then also the output will be 0. So one at which time 1 is coming, means your lamp is glowing at the time of when both input of A and B is 1 at the same situation, at the same time. So in other words, you can say AND gate works in such a manner that it will give you final answer in 1 or in true when your all the inputs will be 1. Otherwise, if any of the input is 0, then the final output will be 0. So AND को आप और हिंदी में हमारा है और एक होता है अथवा. सो एंड इज़ वर्किंग हेयर एज अ और कि ये भी और ये भी व्हेन जब ऐसी कोई स्टेटमेंट आ जाती है किसी सेंटेंस में कि ये भी करना है और ये भी करना है, तभी आपका कोई स्पेसिफिक पर्पस सॉल्व होगा. तो वहाँ पर उस और का मतलब है एंड मीन्स यू हैव टू फुलफिल ऑल द कंडीशंस विद द यूज़ ऑफ और ये हिंदी वाला और एंड इंग्लिश में एंड. तो जहाँ पर भी आपको मल्टीपल सिचुएशंस मल्टीपल इस तरह से मैनेज करनी है कि वो सारी सिचुएशंस एक साथ उनकी जो वैल्यूज़ हैं इनपुट हैं वो 1 पे हो या ट्रू हो, ओनली देन आपका आंसर ट्रू में आएगा. अदरवाइज इफ़ द एनी ऑफ द इनपुट इज़ 0, then your answer will also be 0, that will not come as true. Now here is the working of OR gate. I have used one more circuit here. You can see this is in parallel. The A and B switch that we are used in the circuit, these are in parallel position, whereas in the previous circuit A and B were in the series serial form. So if here any one of the input A, if your circuit, if your switch A is closed, then your bulb will on. If either B is closed, then also bulb will on. If any one of the A and B, दोनों में से कोई भी closed नहीं है, then bulb will not on. अगर दोनों on है तभी bulb आपका on होगा. दोनों में से कोई एक ऑन हो जाए A या B, then also your bulb will glow. So in the same way and OR gate काम कर रहा है. OR gate का पर्पस है कि given two situations, out of given two situations, at least one situation should have a value of 1. तो इसकी जो कंक्लूज़न है वो ये है, इफ़ स्विच A and B आर ओपन, दोनों ही ओपन है विद 0 वैल्यूज़, देन आउटपुट विल बी 0. इफ़ A ओपन B क्लोज्ड है तो A की आपकी वैल्यू 0 है, B इज़ 1 एंड हेंस y इक्वल टू 1. इफ़ A क्लोज्ड and B open, then also output will be 1. If A1 and B1, then also your output will be 1. So and this is the truth table of OR gate. I hope you are now well understood about OR gate. You can see कि जो फाइनल आउटपुट है 1 में OR में 1 में फाइनल आउटपुट कहाँ कब आ रही है, when either of the input is having value at least 1. जहाँ पे एक भी 1 हो गया इनपुट, the output is 1. Whereas if we talk about AND gate, then if any of the input is 0, then the output will be 0. So this was a truth table of OR gate. Now the third gate is NOT gate. NOT gate works on single input. अभी तक आपने देखा कि एंड और गेट, जो दो गेट्स देखे थे वो दोनों ही हमने दो एटलीस्ट 2 इनपुट्स पे हमने उनके बारे में बात की थी. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑन एटलीस्ट 2 इनपुट्स. वेयर एज नॉट गेट is such a gate which is working on single input, means at least 1 input should be there for understanding the use of NOT gate. So here only one switch is used, A. If your A is open and you have given the input, means you have given the power and your A is open, then the final answer will be your bulb will not glow. Whereas if you have not passed the value as 1, You have passed means your circuit, you have passed the value 0, but your circuit is closed. Now the answer will be 0, means your bulb will not glow. If you have given 0, then it will inverse your input and it will give you 1 के केस में ये 0 दे देगा, और 0 के केस में it will show you final output as a 1. So what is the conclusion here? If switch A is open, the lamp will glow, output will be 1. If A is closed, A equal to 1, the lamp will not glow, hence Y will be 0. So this is the truth table. अगर आपकी A की वैल्यू 0 है, आउटपुट विल बी 1. इन्वर्स हो जाएगी, जो आपने इनपुट दिया था आउटपुट उसका इन्वर्स आएगा. इन्वर्स मीन्स if you have given true then it will false, if you have given false it will be true. It in the terms of 0 1, if you have given 0 then the final output will be 1, and if you have given 1 input then the final output will be 0. So in this manner AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate works. So in this video we will just see these, we have just seen these 3 gates. In the next video we will see some more gates. So तब तक आप इनको प्रैक्टिस कीजिए.